Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of the museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about Character LCD module.
Hello, Greg.
Character LCD module is one special dot matrix LCD module with stationary size and resolution, operation voltage, interface, etc. Take 20 by 2 character LCD module, for example. There are 20 characters horizontally, 2 characters vertically. Each character is a 5 by 8 dot matrix. Outer dimension, 116 by 37 millimeters, and active area, 73.5 by 11.5 millimeters. When you develop a custom dot matrix LCD module, it can be any length and width resolution. But it takes a lot of time and great efforts to develop it. The most widely used dot matrix LCD modules with specific size were made public, and it is very convenient for everyone to get them with no tooling fee. You will not have a lot of options when you choose a character LCD module. A custom dot matrix LCD module is still your first choice.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
You are welcome to contact us if you have any questions.